How to ban someone from your private server on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can ban someone from your Roblox private server. First of all, you need to open your Roblox application on your computer, or you can go to the web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now choose the game where you want to ban the player. Now scroll all the way down and then go to my recent server or the private servers. Click on the three dots and then tap on configure. Scroll down and there you will see the option of friends allowed. And if you want your friends to be allowed in your server, simply toggle the switch on. And you can also add specific member to your private server. So simply go ahead and tap on add people, enter their username, and they will be added to your server. Or if you want to remove someone who has already joined your server, simply go to the people section that will appear here. And then simply go ahead and search for the username and you will see a discard or block button. Click on it to block the user and this will kick them off from the server because Roblox does not have a direct ban function for the private servers yet. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.